Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about CSS Selectors Pseudo Elements. Pseudo elements are elements that can be seen on a web page but aren't technically in the DOM. Pseudo elements are instead inserted directly from CSS. It's kind of like having a low-powered version of jQuery built right into CSS. Pseudo elements allow you to do lots little design tricks without cluttering the markup. At first, it might be easy to confuse the pseudo classes we discuss. Pseudo elements always use a double colon before pseudo element. Before creates content right before the selected element. Before is often used to add simple cosmetic content to an element using the content property. The after pseudo element works just like before, except content is added after the targeted element. The first line selector targets the first line of a block level element. The effect may be dynamic as the length of the first line depends on many factors such as the width of the element, the width of the page, and the font size in use. First letter pseudo element. The first letter pseudo element simply targets the very first letter of the specified element. Now let's create more divs here. And some paragraphs. Let's delete all of the CSS. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.